Something else that we can do is we can actually translate all of the text on all of the different videos. So if we actually click on translate down here in the very bottom left-hand side of Canva, and then we have translate to, select the language. So let's say we wanted to translate this to Spanish. We can select that. We can translate all of the pages or just one. We're going to go ahead and translate just the first page. Click on done. We can also decide, do we want to translate everything on page 1, or do I want to select just specific text that I want to translate? We're going to translate everything and click on translate. Go ahead and give that a moment here, and Canva has gone through here and they've translated all of the text for me to Spanish. And then I can come in here and I can resize this a little bit because some of the words are now longer than they used to be. And perfect, we now have a fully translated page inside of Canva. Now I do want to note that inside of Canva, you can translate up to 50 different pages for free. After that, you will need a Canva premium account, which I highly recommend.